Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another HP Society episode. Guys, today we are going to be installing the brand new taillights for Shadow, the beautiful Mustang GT. So let's pop them babies open and boom, look, we got them right here. Oh my God, they look so sick. I'm so excited. It's definitely gonna change the whole rear end of the car, and I think it's just gonna upgrade the entire look, like complete 360. You guys, I also have some nice looking boxes over there, and we have a bunch of mods for this Mustang. Honestly, like I said in the last video, I already told you guys what it is. That box is the MGW shifter. That, I believe, is the rear diffuser. I'm almost positive that's the rear diffuser. Wait, how? What the fuck? Actually, this might be the, yeah, you know what, this might make sense. This might be the rear diffuser. That's the front splitter, I know that for sure. And yeah, and then we got the badges and the Coyote badge as well. So that's all we got for now. I'm a little worried that this is the rear diffuser, because isn't the rear diffuser supposed to, like, no, actually, no, that could actually make, well, no, what the fuck? Anyways, guys, that's gonna be a worry for a later day. Right now, we are going to install these lights, and I think first things first, we gotta do this. I'm almost positive, I think. 4 of these little spinny thingies right here. Pretty sure you gotta take, oh shit. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. I think this comes off. All right, well, let's try it out. All right, guys, so we're gonna take these 4 screws out, these little twisty catches for the screws, and then we're gonna see if we can pop this thing out. So, 1 second. Oh, why is this? You know what? Let me move these motherfuckers out the way. So, we're not breaking shit today. Every fucking install we got, by the way. Let me just tell you guys something. Every install that we have on this channel, something just always breaks. Now I don't know why. Nothing's breaking today. Nothing's breaking today. Oh, look at that! That's pretty sick. Look, it comes with a fucking tire. Oh, okay, that's good to know. So, all right, so we got this out the way. So this came off just by tugging on it. We're not breaking anything today. So we're learning this together. So I'm guessing this carpet right here comes off, right? Oh, there's a tab. Look, guys. All right, there we go. All right, mini pliers do the trick if you don't have that trim remover, whatever the fuck this works. All right. I'm guessing we're gonna need a deep socket 10 mil. It's the only 10 mil I have. I can't seem to find my deep socket, but you guys, it's going to be these, and then you got a couple back there. Maybe I can get the light on it. You gotta take out, it's that little one right across there. So you're gonna take those out, and let's take those out and deal with the bullshit. Feel it coming in the air tonight. There we go. We got it loose. Grab it with my hand. I'll take it out with my hand. Oh yeah, there we go. Now you're supposed to have 3 10 mils right there with the catches, and your headlight should feel a little loose. This is where you're gonna tug it out. Now be careful, because you don't want to scratch up the paint. Like I said, we always break some shit, so knock on wood, nothing's gonna happen. All right, so we're gonna, all right, there we go. It came out. So you guys are gonna have this little rubber guard right here. This, you just kind of wiggle it out, and boom, taillight is out. We didn't break shit, you already know. You guys, since this is out, it is gonna be a little dirty underneath, so you might as well just clean it, just so you know it's a little clean. But damn, this is a clean taillight. I like this. If they ask Mar, listen. Ah, yeah. This obviously has the same brackets as the OEM one. All we're gonna do, stick this rubber guard just like the old one back in, slip it in, put the 10 mils on, and this shit is over with. Dude, this thing looks sick. I really, oh fuck, I should have taken it before and after. Actually, I have other pictures. We'll be fine. All right, we're going to plug it in Where is the plug? Oh, it's right there. Don't call me. I'm in the middle of something. Oh my god, that looks so sick. All right, moment of truth. Oh no shit, that looks sick, dude. Oh hell yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, that looks way better, bro. Oh my god, look how mean that looks. Look at that compared to that. Holy shit. Dude, that looks so good. Hold on. All right. Look at that, dude. Ah, that looks so good, bro, compared to the OEM one. Like, sick. That's valid. Guys, just so I don't make this video too boring, the same shit you did on this side, you do to this side. Plain and simple. So right now we're gonna take the 3 bolts, we're gonna bolt them back in. Then we're gonna take the tab, which is right here. We're gonna put it right back into the carpeting, if it focuses. There we go. We're gonna take this tab, put it right back in for the carpeting, and then do the exact same side what we did there. Do it here. Simple. And I'm gonna show you guys the end result, but that's how it looks so far. Looks sick, dude. So we put everything back together. The tab is back in, the 10 mils are back in, and now we are good to start off on this side. We didn't break anything so far, but I think we did. Oh, fuck. No. Fuck yeah, we did. We scratched the paint. Fuck. Every time, I told you guys. Every time. Now we got the right tail light. Let's see that. Oh yeah, baby. All right, guys, the second tail light is put on. Fitment is actually really good. It's not bad at all, but we got both tail lights put in. And I'm gonna move the car a little bit forward so you guys can see the whole rear end of this, but it looks beautiful, guys. So now we're just gonna add this big trim piece. And then obviously, remember, we took out these, we took out 4 of them. We're gonna screw them all back in, and then that should be the install, guys. It wasn't too hard. It wasn't too bad. That got a little scratch right there, but it isn't anything major. So I'm actually proud of myself, because usually, like I said, every time we do an install, some shit breaks. You guys, the last time we actually did anything headlight related or taillight related was actually on my G37, which is crazy because that install actually went pretty well. Alex did most of it. So if Alex gets these taillights, it'll be the first time where Alex will be like, you know what? Moogie, you do this. You do this time. I'll be like, hell yeah, man. Like I said, we're gonna put this thing back up into the car and we should be done with everything. So let me put this in real quick. Like I said, snaps back in, put in those 4 little catches, screw them in, and that's it, it's over. You guys, I'm sweating like crazy. I don't know why I wore a hoodie today. 3, 2, damn, look at that, bro. Oh my God. Dude, that made a huge difference. Look at that. Oh my God, bro. That looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, bro. Dude, that's solid. That's solid. Dude, that is solid. Look at that. Holy crap, dude, look at that. Oh my God. That looks so good. Oh yeah, I'm in love. Definitely changed the rear end of this car 100%. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified and be a part of HP Society. Mustang is all done and it looks so freaking good, you guys. So like I said, we have a bunch of boxes. I'm trying to see if the camera can point that out maybe. Yes, maybe so. We got a lot of mods going on this car, cosmetically. Performance wise, we're gonna start around June. So no, maybe May. So like I said, stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate all the support. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. See you guys.